YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new mini album page. This is the last page we did, where it opens up like so, and then like so, and like so. I think it turned out really cute. Let's flip it over, and this is the back page. You're going to need a long piece. This is 12 inches by 5 3/4. Then you're going to need to cut it, this sheet here. You're going to score it. Let's see, where are you going to score it at? Score it at 6 3/8. 6 3/8. And then you're going to fold this over and you're going to cut this sheet here in half. So this should be 2 5/8 width, and this should be 3 3/16 width. So you'll have a larger bottom than the top. Okay, then you're going to need 3 little tuck spots. They are 2 5/16 by 5 3/4. Awesome. Now let's put her together. I want to put my flip on first. A little bit of glue here. Turn it so that I can get a good adhesion. I'm going to take it all the way to the edge. Like so. Alright, make sure that your front is facing the correct way. There we go. Then I have this little doohickey for here, but I'm going to put these on after I put my paper on. Excuse me. So the inside of this paper is going to have her. Let me just fold that all the way out. There we go. Nice. This one does not go there. Goes on the other side. So we have, I think I'm going to put this yellow one here. Yeah. No, that's too small. Where does the yellow one go? Oh, it goes on top of this. Okay, so that's where that goes. Okay. I do have 2 more big pieces. Let's go ahead and put those in. Nice. And then we have this one. now those two are there. I have 4 pieces left. So that goes over there. This one goes down here. Yes, this one goes down here. There we go. And then I have Imagine that goes on top here. Then we'll just flip them over and we'll do the same on this side. Just flip that one. That turned out really nice. Same on top. Alright, so this is the flip. Now we have our little pockets. And I'm going to use, let me look, this one here. Yes, that one's going to be pretty right there. So you're just going to do the 3 sides here. Like so. And then I have a little piece that goes there. Yes. Love that. I did a little punch on that, or not a punch, but a die cut. And it was this one here by Spellbinders. And I just used this inside piece. I didn't use this cutout piece. Turned out really cute. I like that. And then those shut this way. Opens like so. And then I have 2 pockets here. So the big one's going to go over here and the little one over here. And again, you only need to do 3 sides. And the same on this one, just the 3 sides. Okay, put our glue away. And we'll put our pretty paper on top. And the same with this one. I like that a lot. And then we have some tags from the paper stack. So we can put that in there. This one here. This one here. Nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.